7 Bedroom Design Mistakes and How to Fix Them. Your bedroom is your sanctuary, a place to relax and unwind. But sometimes, even the most well-intentioned design choices can end up creating a space that feels cluttered, uncomfortable, or simply not quite right. Here are 7 common bedroom design mistakes to avoid and tips on how to fix them. 1. Overcrowding the space. Too much furniture or clutter can make a bedroom feel cramped and chaotic. Fix. Declutter and consider multifunctional furniture like a storage bed or a bench with built-in drawers. 2. Neglecting natural light. Insufficient natural light can make a bedroom feel gloomy and uninviting. Fix. Maximize natural light by keeping windows uncovered or using sheer curtains. Consider adding a mirror to reflect light. 3. Choosing the wrong bed size. A bed that's too small or too large can disrupt the balance of the room. Fix. Ensure your bed is proportional to the size of your bedroom. A larger bed can make a room feel more spacious, while a smaller bed can create a cozy atmosphere. 4. Ignoring the bedside tables. Undersized or mismatched bedside tables can detract from the overall aesthetic. Fix. Choose bedside tables that are the same height as your bed and complement your overall style. 5. Overusing bold patterns. Too many bold patterns can create a visually overwhelming space. Fix. Stick to a neutral color palette and add pops of color or pattern with accessories like pillows or throw blankets. 6. Forgetting about lighting layers. Relying solely on overhead lighting can create harsh shadows and a lack of ambiance. Fix. Incorporate a mix of lighting types, including bedside lamps, floor lamps, and sconces, to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. 7. Ignoring the importance of a rug. A bedroom without a rug can feel cold and unfinished. Fix. Choose a rug that's large enough to extend beyond the foot of your bed. A soft, plush rug can add warmth and comfort to your space. By avoiding these common bedroom design mistakes, you can create a stylish and inviting sanctuary that promotes relaxation and rejuvenation. Remember, the key to a well-designed bedroom is balance, comfort, and personal style.